Morning folks, Mark here from my Backwood Adventures. Yeah, it's been a while since I put a video out. Been out at work and it's been busy. Anyhow, it's about -8 degrees Celsius this morning here in southwest Nova Scotia. It's a little chilly. No wind right now. We're under a weather statement for some extreme wind chill over the weekend here, so we'll see. Anyhow, today I'm gonna continue on milling some lumber. I hope. I got a few little things I gotta do to the sawmill. But anyhow, I'll just show you the stack of logs I got here. There they are. So I gotta pick away at them here a little bit. Go through his list and see what he wants out of them. But I'll get. I got a little stack on the trailer there right now that I cut the last time I was home, and so I'll continue on. I got a few little things, like I said, to do to the sawmill. My throttle cable, I don't know if anybody out there is having issues. I ordered a new one, but my throttle cable is she's frozen. I just got to bring it in, take it out and bring it in, and in like 2 minutes it's thawed out and it works fine for the day. But I had to change my hour meter. The other one I had that came with the mill was starting to read backwards. So anyhow, I got a new blade, or a sharpened blade anyway, to put on, and hopefully I got one bunk here, the very first one. For whatever reason, it seems to be lower than the rest. It was at the very end here, this one here, and I swapped them out, and it seems like it's worse on this end now. It seems a bit lower than the rest, but I'm gonna put a level on there and see from bunk to bunk, and just to see if it's actually, or is it just me, or is it the wood that I was milling? We might have been lifting up on that side. So anyhow, I'm gonna check that out. Throttle cable, and yeah, my little ball here fell out of my my crank in there. The ball is gone. I found it, but it's kind of out of shape now. So kind of looking into the power saw head here. That it's a little pricey. It's a little pricey, but we'll see. I have to save my pennies for that one. Anyhow, I got the tractor plugged in because it's a little chilly this morning. I'll let that warm up for a bit, and we'll just hop into the garage here and I'll show you what I've been up to. I haven't been filming or making videos of any of this because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, and probably just boring stuff. But I'll show you what I did to my table saw. So I put an outfeed table and a table saw sled. I built the sled. I just got a few little things I got to do to it. I just want to extend this piece back here for protection for the blade, and I gotta router out these channels here so my outfeed table will slide through or my sled will slide out on the outfeed table. Anyhow, well, you can see I bought a new planer. That's a Craftex from Busy Bee. I've got that old Mastercraft there for sale right now. This is a helical cutter, as you can see there, 13-inch. I gave it a try the other day. It works good. Set it all up, and a little bit of snipe, but I gotta just play around with the tables, check the adjustment, make sure that's good. But yeah, other than that, just been messing around in my garage here. Weather's been up and down, rainy, snowy, cold, rainy, lots of rain. So anyhow, today's the day. It's a little cool, but we're gonna do a little bit of milling. Hopefully, I gotta just play around with the sawmill, get that ready, and we'll meet you back at the sawmill. Well, folks, I think we're ready to mill now. I got a log on the mill. Got it all set up, at least I think. Put that throttle cable in the basement there, let it warm up while I was tinkering around. And so I got a 10-inch by 16-foot log here, 10-inch on the smaller end. I'm going to try to get 7.5-inch boards out of it, 7.5 inches wide by 1.5 inches thick he wants. So hopefully, let's see how this is going to work out here today. Let's get milling. Well, folks, there it is. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one of them's got a little bit of, or a couple actually, got a little bit of wane on them. But I'm gonna stack them up on this trailer here, and so there's a 5. That's a start. I think he needs like 16. Anyhow, I'm gonna continue on, and I'll end the video here now. But you get the idea of what I'm up to today. What a beautiful day. A few flurries, nice and cool. Oh, I gotta let the chickens out. Let them roam around. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Be kind, be safe, and we'll see you again next time.